Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to remove a table in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a table that's been formatted as a table in Excel. And what we would like to do is restore the data back to its raw data set where it is not formatted as a table. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to remove the table formatting in a table that has been created in Microsoft Excel, you will need to be able to change the design of the table. And I can do that anytime I click inside any cell in my table. So watch up here on the toolbar. Once I click in here, I can now see that I will get a table design ribbon up here. And I could click on any cell in my table, whether it's a header or it's part of the data, or it's even one of the totals down here on the footer. And then once I go to table design over here, I will see that I have table styles. So if I click this down arrow here, I can actually go to clear, and I can see that I have removed the formatting that was on my table. However, I have not removed the actual table itself, because here I am in cell H14, but as soon as I click back in my table, the table design ribbon comes up again. And if I click there, I can still see that I can change my table styles to something else and get that formatting back. So I didn't actually remove the table itself, I only removed the table formatting. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. However, if I select A1 and I go all the way down here to the end of my table, and I go back on the table design, and I click this button here that says convert to range, I will now be prompted, do I want to convert the table to a normal range? And what a normal range means is a non-Excel table. So I'm just going to say yes to that. And you can see that some of the formatting will be left. But if I click over here and say J1 and I click back here, I'm no longer getting the table design ribbon because Excel no longer sees my data set as a table. There are a few other methods that you can use to get rid of a table in Microsoft Excel. And I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube. So feel free to visit there and see some other ways to remove your table formatting or the table itself. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.